Hello everyone. In this video, we are just showing you how you can tweak your prompt, Git prompt, and you can make look like the small prompt because if I type here, you can see this Git prompt is look very big, and I don't like this. So you can just tweak little bit and you can just modify this prompt. So what you have to do is you have to go to your C drive, you can go to your program file, and you can go to Git, and after that going to Git you have to go to etc, and etc you have to go to program profile.d, and you can open git prompt sh. You have to open this in administrator mode, or you can just open it. Once you change, they will ask you to. Okay, so you can see here, this is the code where what prompt you need, what a prompt it is given. So if you see here, this is the username and host. If you see, what I'm getting this one, username and then host, and this is the machine, and then we are getting the path, which path I am. So I don't want these things, so I will just comment all those, this three line. Okay, I will comment this one. I don't want green. I'll comment this also, and this host name and username I don't want. I want to change to purple. This is fine, and show my system, that also I don't want. Okay, and this is uh, change to browse yellow. This is also I don't want, and this this is current working directory is showing me. Okay, this is the bigger one. If you see here, this is the bigger one. Current working directory is showing. This also I don't want. Okay, so I'll just put hash symbol here, and I just want this arrow mark instead of this big uh, prompt. I just want arrow mark. So I just remove this one. Okay, and let me save it. Okay, I just saved it. So it will ask you sometime. It is because I opened my notepad in administrative mode, so it's not asking. So if you are open this in non administrative mode, you can change to administrative mode and you can save it. It's fine. After that, if I'll go here and I will just close this terminal, and let me open the new one. Okay, see how cool it is. Hope you like this tweak. Okay, so I'm going to work here. So the last video we are already um, get installed airflow, and all the tag and all everything's here, tag folder. So let's continue working on airflow. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want to use this, please use it. This is very cool. Okay, thank you very much.